Well, this is the problem with the radio control. Well, if I say you and this not enter to enter to menu, don't have menu and options with in comparison for the Skyfly E6. This if can't in cat enter of menu or options, and this transmitter don't enter options. The other problem is with the switch for change the flight moding. They don't work. For this, the drone connected to my laptop, and in this moment the configuration is for the setup of the transmitter. Check next. Is here acro. It's mode 2, and here is lookout. Is ready. The roll ready. Pitch ready. Jaw ready. And here on the switch of position, the flight mode switch, this is the problem. I can up and down, up and down, and now recognizing the program. The program don't recognizing this switch. This is the problem with this transmitter. Two problems. One, this don't have entered two menus for configuring any aspect, and the other problem is with the switch for flying mode. This is the problem with this transmitter. And see, this is the problem. See you. I hope quickly responsive for check this problem. Thanks. Bye bye.